In science, buoyancy, also known as upthrust, is an upward force exerted by a fluid that opposes the weight of an immersed object. In a column of fluid, pressure increases with depth as the result of the weight of overlying fluid.
The mechanics, if we put an egg in a cup of tap water, it will sink to the bottom. Why is this? Because the density of the egg is higher than the density of tap water, so it sinks. Density is the mass of a material per unit volume. For example, the density of fresh water under the standard condition is approximately 1 gram per cubic centimeter.
Pitcher with water.
Salt.
Eggs.
One. Without salt.
Number 2.
But if you add enough salt to the water, the egg will actually float back up to the surface. Adding salt to the water increases the density of the solution because the salt increases the mass without changing the volume very much. When enough salt is added to the water, the salt water solution density becomes higher than the eggs, so the egg will then float. The ability of something, like the egg, to float in water or some other liquid is known as buoyancy. But just how much salt is needed to make an egg float? In this science activity, you'll figure that out by making solution with varying concentrations of salt in them.